Some problem. We'll be analyzing a merge segment which is located on the northern end of our facility. Let's zoom in. So this will be our location. This is a 3-lane merge segment with a 1-lane on-ramp, exactly as we see in the slide over here. So on the right side, you can see our merge segment we'll be analyzing, but we also have an adjacent upstream merge. And because this is a 3-lane segment, as we have seen in the slides, we also need to analyze if this upstream merge has an effect on the operations of my subject merge. All the other inputs are required over here. And with that, let's get into our modeling. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to open the Freeways module in HCS. We will start a new file. Let's select a new Freeway merge segment. And let's get to our modeling. So first, we have 3 lanes on my main line, 1 lane in the on-ramp. I have a mainline free flow speed of 73 miles per hour, and that speed is measured from the field. So let's make sure we keep this measure free flow speed box checked. We have a ramp free flow speed of 35 miles per hour, nothing to change here. We can also keep our segment length as 1500 feet by default. My ramp is located on the right side. I have level terrain on both the freeway and the ramp. And here, let's change our acceleration lane length to 1250 feet. Next, let's go to our demand data inputs. For the main line, I have a demand volume of 1488 vehicles per hour, and I have an on-ramp demand of 967 vehicles per hour. I have a 0.94 peak hour factor, so nothing to change here. And I have 17% trucks on both the freeway and the ramp. I have 0 CVs, so nothing to change here. No adjustment factors to apply. And finally, at the bottom, as we discussed, we have an upstream merge, so let's select the proper upstream ramp. And here, the distance to my subject ramp to the upstream merge will be 7,275 feet. I also have level terrain, and the volumes in my upstream ramp will be 1,855 vehicles per hour, with, again, a peak hour factor of 0.94. And I also have 17% heavy vehicles on my upstream merge. On the downstream side, I don't have any adjacent ramps, so I can just keep it as is. And with that, we are good with our data input process. Now that we're done, we can go to our report, and let's see what we have over here. On the leftmost column, you'll see all the freeway inputs and intermediate calculations. On the rightmost column, you'll see all the ramp-related inputs and calculations. So, as you can see, when you look at our volume to capacity ratio, both of them are below 1, so everything will be undersaturated. And when we look closely into our performance measures, I have a density in the ramp influence area 15.4, which will give me a level of service B in that case. Other measures we want to look at, the average speed on my segment will be 66.2 miles per hour. And we also have some computed speeds for the influence area and for the outer lanes. And with that, that's the end of our analysis for our merge segment.